and I've had Ultherapy probably, when was the machine first out?
It's been around for about 11 years, so it's not a dinosaur, it just works.
Okay, so my first one was probably 6 or 7 years ago, and then I had a facelift 2 years ago, and now I'm looking to do it again to maintain the facelift results even longer.
And do you mind showing our viewers what one line feels like? So a lot of people, their concern with Ultherapy is some of the discomfort associated with the energy being delivered. But here at this office, they have been through advanced training, and it's based entirely off of proficiency with reading ultrasound, because what we found is through other pain management protocols, as well as the ability to treat only where we see collagen, that we've really been able to help with the discomfort.
Reading collagen ultrasound. We can't do ultrasound on anybody's pregnancy.
Yeah. I know, someone was pregnant the other day, and I was
We're
like,
great on collagen, but we're not going to tell the sex of the baby.
No.